ganda. So bango. Merong coffee bean dito. Rob. Hello. Hello, ya. Manonood kami ng Harry Potter. Dito na kami sa Soler. Ano oras? 3 p.m. Naghahanap kami ng kakainan. Kasi alas 6 pa yung Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Alin? Oo, bigyan mo ako dito. Kunin muna natin yung ticket. Ka-convert kami na physical ticket. Here's the ticket. Yay! Let's see. Uy, 500 po. Gagawin ko sa necktie. So nice. Ang ganda oh. What's this 1899? Oh, there's letters. Tingnan mo yung letter. I like this letter. Ayan na yung one. $4K ang one, guys. Pag bumili ka na, pwede mo na i-avocadabra lahat yun. Mag-view lang kami kasi wala akong pambili, guys. Ang mahal. Wala man lang 200 pesos. Lahat nasa 1.5. Tingin. Lumalayo. Libreng photo prints. May Gucci dito sa Cartier. Oh, wow! Sino? Uy, Cartier! My dream. This is my dream. Oh my gosh, yung dream. Hello, tignan nyo no. Ngayon na ako makakita ng totoong ganyan. Oh my gosh, ang ganda.
Smiley, smiley, little boy, jumping puppy, puppy word. Well, like a fairy tale comes true. It might be your good time, pumpkin sweet cake, cookie friends. Well, this is
Yung mga yan, bibilin ko yan. Hindi, bibilin mo pala sa akin. Yan, namiikot lang kami ng Soler kasi naghahanap kami ng food. I'm a Diorgo. Kasi walang pambili. So, we're gonna enter the casino. Ayoko ng casino kasi yung kapasukan namin sa Okada, puro smoke. Baka naman food court ng pangmayaman yan. Walang Jollibee. Makdo. Yun yung hinahanap ko eh. Hi guys, we're here. Sa food court. So, yan. Kapag kain sa food court, masarap. Alam, I'm so hungry. Oh, masarap. So, nandito kami sa food court ngayon ng Soler. Tapos, kakain lang kami before namin manood ng Harry Potter. Kasi, ano pa lang, it's 4:28, 6 p.m. pa yung Harry Potter. And, bawal food and drink sa loob. Almost 3 hours yung Harry Potter. So, kailangan namin kumain muna. Bumili kami ng sinigang na baka worth 441.96 sa sandok. Kailangan po magkape bago mag-Harry Potter kasi mahaba yung Harry Potter, guys. So, hindi naman ako aantarin since Harry Potter yun. I'm waiting. I'm so hungry. Sinigang na baka, tas 2 rice. Oh my gosh, we're gonna eat na.
Tinigot ko ilalagay ko sa sa dami ng laman.
Buy your tickets next year! Woo! Toby's here? What? Harry Potter just gave me a soul! Oh, thank you very much, Harry!
Oh yes, they're pretty funny.
And talk and show, and then yeah, like this.
Expecto Patronum!
Camera, let's smile.
What's wrong with them? That is first.
So guys, nandito na kami sa loob ng theater. Ang section namin is Orchestra Center, row B and seat 17 and seat 16. Oh my gosh,
Harry Potter film was such a rich opportunity.
The performance will begin in a few minutes.
Monica Orchestra, the Philippine Madrigal Singers, and Film Concerts PH. My name is Gerard Salonga, welcoming you to this performance of Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban.
we're gonna get na yung picture namin, libreng picture. Nandito ka, oh. Have you seen this wizard? Who's that? Where's he? Nandito si wizard. Yay! Kasi thank you ka, Takey. Tapos si Madam CEO. Pwedeng, tapos na kaming manood ng Harry Potter. Oo, so ganda. Ang galing nung orchestra. Mahirap pag nasa solar ka. Maamay mga sigarilyo. Ah. Guys, we're gonna check the tiramisu from the bakery. Worth 155. Kanina, bumili na kami ng chocolate croissant and then yung ham and cheese croissant. Sarap.
Kung saan meron?
8 out of 10. Masarap, lasa kape. Yung gusto kong lasa ng kape, nasa tiramisu.
Smiley, smiley, little boy, jumping puppy.
Ensaymada, worth 155. Sobrang dami ng cheese, guys. May palaman. Baka ube yan. Ube ensaymada. Yo guys, we're going home.